Hello everybody, so today back on the Ray node again. Maybe this will be the last one I hope that I will do on this, and today I want to look at how you would make like a terrain, and you would maybe create some kind of like footprints inside of that terrain. Say for example if you're walking through snow or something like that. So let's start off with, I think, a grid node. And maybe I'll make this 4x4. Okay, I'm going to increase the resolution. And this time what I want to do is I want to make I think a sphere. Let's do that again. Our trusty sphere. This time let's make the polygon. Let's give it some more resolution. Okay, and I think I'll transform that up a little bit for now. Okay, yeah. Let's go translate just at 1. I don't need that anymore. And I think we'll add our array node. Alright, so we'll add the grid here and the sphere in the second input. And I can see now I'm getting this the same that we've looked at before, where the rays have been projected upwards because that's the direction of the vectors, of the normals, remember, and that's why they're attaching now to this sphere. But I can also reverse these rays, so let me do that. So I'll hit these reverse, and now what's happening is that our normals are now pointing in the other direction. How does that benefit us? Well, now I can move this down. So let's do that. Let's move it down. And I can see that I'm starting to get this imprint in the geometry. Let me see if I can get rid of that a moment. And this here. There we go. And I need to remove this show guide geometry. And now I can see this kind of hole that it's making. I think I might also increase my resolution to maybe 200. Either way. Alright, looks good. And I will turn off my wireframe. Alright, now this sphere of course is quite straightforward. I can move this around. So I want to put it over here, for example, or down here. And I can get a very simple result. I like that. So let's want to change this now. So let me remove this sphere, and I want to try and put something with footprints in there. Let's have a look what we've got. Test geometry. Maybe let's use this crag here. All right. And I'm going to add this instead to my ray node. All right. Nothing yet, I don't think. I can already see that there's some kind of minor footprint thing going on here. I think what I will do is transform this down a little bit. Alright, that's good. Here we go. Let's move it down. I can already see that I'm getting some effect here. Alright, cool. So now I can see that I'm getting these two footprints, and this is coming from the hammer that is carrying. I think I need more resolution, if I'm honest. I'm going to bump this right up to maybe 1000, I think. There we go. That looks a bit better. And if I want, I could also maybe add a smooth node to that. I'm wondering if I can also add a mountain node. Let me see. Let's put a mountain node after this grid. Alright, that gives us something else. Oh, that's cool. Right, so I've got this kind of nice effect here. I just want to, let's put this amplitude down a little bit. Alright, the amplitude is reduced. That looks pretty good. And it's zero centered. I might have this just in the positive. Then this way I can make sure that the footprints work correctly. Okay, I like that. And they look a bit kind of jaggedy, so I might add a smooth node as well to this. Let's see if this is going to work without me crashing my computer. It looks good. All right. So I can see now that I've created this kind of terrain from my mountain node, and I've got these footprints that have came in, and of course these footprints are coming from this piece of geometry right here. Yeah, in fact, if I merge these together, I should be able to see them all together. Let's put them together. There we go. And I want to remove that. Okay, cool. And so I can see now that I've got his footprints that I've kind of depressed into that terrain. So you can see there how easy it is to modify your geometry to fit with another piece of geometry. That's cool, right? All right, so I'll leave it there. You guys have a great day, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. All right, be good.